Malawi. We are here in partnership with Watts of Love, who are working on eradicating the poverty cycle through the power of solar light. Following on from Cyclone Freddy that has left 500,000 people displaced, we have the honour and the privilege of being here to help serve them, to help train them, to help them become self-sufficient and self-sustainable and reach them with the love of Jesus. So I'm excited for what this week is going to hold.
We started this morning by going to church and we just had a 3-hour service. The harmonies, beautiful. The acoustics in the building, fantastic. So what did you guys think of the service?
It was really cool.
Yeah?
Just come along. We'll do it next time. We'll bring back some mass.
Amazing, yeah. A lot of love. We have rice and chicken and peas and ugali and cabbage and tomato. Bon appetit! Teaching them how to use the solar lights for Watts of Love. In this camp there's 3,343 households represented here, all of which were displaced by Cyclone Freddy. Given out the lights and then taken in groups to do training so that they can know how to use the training taking place. Yesterday we gave out 506 lights to families in that camp. That camp is where everyone has been displaced following the cyclone, so it's amazing being able to give them a light source to help them get back on their feet. And today we're going to another camp where we're going to be giving out 260 lights, so I'm so excited to see how the Lord is going to move today and how we're going to be able to train and equip and help people become self-sufficient. We are currently here on Next Village where we are doing the training and the distribution of lights. So currently the training is taking place and then we will get to distribute the lights to everyone in the community.
Thank you.
final day of light distribution here in Nisanji, and today we will get to go to another camp to be able to train and equip them in saving their finances and putting it towards other things, to build businesses and to start getting equipped and building their homes. I'm so excited to see how we're going to get to, you know, just inspire and give them hope to be able to dream again for what they can do with their finances and to help them get to where they're wanting to go. Yesterday was amazing, seeing them just like dreaming about what they can do through the power of the solar light, helping them, give them extra time of the day and giving them the ability to save their funds. So here is to the last day of light distribution here in Nisanji. Is if they take the money that they've been using for the kerosene and batteries, in like 4 weeks of saving that, they can buy a chicken, and then that can grow and grow. Also, by having the solar light, it gives them opportunities for education and studying at night time, and normally they wouldn't have any power or any light. So she's currently sharing the ways that you can save your money and what you can spend it on, but also the opportunities that you can have if you have an extra light in the day. Once everyone has gone through the group training, we have distributed the lights. We then take them in smaller groups to have one-on-one training where they can learn practically how to use them. So we have a group gathered here for training, we have a group gathered up there for more training, and this is where they get handed their lights and then they get to learn how to use them themselves. So it's a really cool process.